Ashley Esqueda, and it's time for another installment of Just Show Me on Tekka TV, where we take your tech toys and gadgets and show you how to get the most out of them. Today I'm going to show you how to set your social app settings in Facebook. Now, Facebook's got some new changes coming, meaning that they can actually check out where you're going online and post to your wall automatically if you're connected to Facebook. So for example, if you are on Netflix, it will actually post to your wall and say, this is what I'm watching on Netflix. You want to understand how to change those app settings just in case you don't want to broadcast everything to everyone all the time. So let's take a look at your social app settings. So from your Facebook profile page, we want to head into account settings, which you can find in the upper right side of your screen. There's a down arrow right next to the word home. So when you click on that, you'll see account settings as part of the drop-down list. Go ahead and pick that, and then from the left sidebar, you want to pick apps. So once we pick apps, you're going to see a list of apps that you've authorized to interact with your Facebook account. And for some people who've been using Facebook for a long time, this list could be very long. And if you see anything that you don't want to use anymore, I'll show you how to remove it. So the thing that we have connected to our Facebook account is Spotify, which is a music listening service. We want to click on the edit button, which is right here next to the X on the right side of that list. Now, once we do that, it's going to expand the app and show you what the app needs to run, what it can also do with your Facebook profile, when it last accessed your data, and your activity privacy. We're going to start with what the app can do with your profile. So you can see the 4 things that Spotify can do with my Facebook information is post to Facebook as me, which is when you see something like, I've been listening to this music on Spotify. It can access posts in your news feed. It can access your data at any time of the day or night, even when you're not using the application. And you can add an app activity to your timeline. I don't necessarily want Spotify to be accessing my data at any time. Like, that makes me a little bit nervous. When we see access your data at any time, you'll see a X right next to it. And what we're going to do is we're going to click remove. So once we've done that, we've actually removed that activity from the app. The last thing is app activity privacy, which is who can see posts and activity from your app. Now, by default for us, I have it set to friends. If you want to set it to public so that everybody can see it, if you'd like to set it to friends of friends, or if you'd like to specifically customize who can see updates from a specific app, you can actually choose customize and then really get into your settings, but we won't do that today. Now, if you really don't like an app or if you don't use it anymore, you can actually remove it. And it's very simple. All you have to do is go to the remove app link right at the top of the expansion area. It's in the right corner there, and just click on remove app and it'll say, would you like to remove it? Are you sure? Once we do that, we'll get a confirmation message and you can see Spotify's not there anymore on our apps list. Now we don't have any apps, but we're gonna go get some more. That's how to set your social app settings in Facebook. With these new changes coming, you definitely want to make sure that you go in and change your settings to your liking. That's been Just Show Me on Tekka TV. Be sure to check out tekka.com for all of our other content, and we'll see you next time.